Hi grown-ups, welcome back to Kidding Around. My name is Melanie Smith and this is your weekly update. This week your kids will be doing Test Tube Tuesday, Thoughtful Thursday, and a Standout Story lesson on Saturday. On Tuesday your kids will be learning about wind speed and how to measure it, and they will be building their own anemometer. On Thursday, we'll be talking about kindness to shelter animals, and your kids will be building 2 toys, one for cats and one for dogs in shelters. And on Saturday, we'll be talking about The Very Busy Spider by Carle, and your kids will get to make their own spider web and their own spider to live in it. All of the supplies for all of these activities are directly below this video, and they are on their own videos as well. Thanks so much. Have a great week.